Did you know that eating apples the wrong way could actually be harmful to your health? That's right. While apples are often called a superfruit for their incredible health benefits, many people unknowingly make mistakes that reduce their nutritional value or even harm their bodies. From peeling apples to ignoring their seeds, these common habits might be stopping you from reaping the full benefits of this amazing fruit. Stick around, because in today's video, we'll uncover 9 mistakes people make when eating apples and reveal how to enjoy them the right way for maximum health benefits. Plus, mistake number 5 is so common that 90% of people don't even realize they're doing it wrong. Let's dive in. The benefits of eating apples. Before we get to the mistakes, let's take a moment to celebrate this powerhouse fruit. Here are 8 incredible benefits of eating apples. Improved digestion. Apples are packed with insoluble fiber that regulates your digestive system, combats constipation, and optimizes nutrient absorption. They also contain prebiotics that nourish the good bacteria in your gut. Better blood sugar control. Thanks to their soluble fiber, apples help slow the digestion of carbohydrates, leading to steady blood sugar levels. This makes them a perfect choice for those managing diabetes or preventing energy crashes. Enhanced heart health. Pectin in apples lowers bad cholesterol, LDL, while potassium regulates blood pressure. Together, these nutrients support a healthier cardiovascular system and reduce the risk of heart disease. Brain protection. Antioxidants in apples, like quercetin, combat oxidative stress in the brain, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Sustained energy. With their natural sugars and fiber, apples provide a slow and steady energy release, making them an ideal snack before a workout or during a busy day. Cancer prevention. The antioxidants and fibers in apples play a role in reducing the risk of several cancers, including lung and colon cancer, by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Stronger bones. Nutrients like vitamin K and potassium in apples strengthen bones and help protect against conditions like osteoporosis, especially in older adults. Improved oral health. Chewing apples stimulates saliva production, reducing bacteria in your mouth and acting as a natural toothbrush between meals. The 9 mistakes people make when eating apples. 1. Eating apples treated with pesticides. Did you know that non-organic apples are often covered in pesticides? These chemicals can be harmful to your health if not removed properly. Solution. Always wash your apples thoroughly under running water and use a dedicated fruit brush or natural cleaning solution. Whenever possible, opt for organic apples to avoid harmful residues altogether. 2. Overeating apples. You might have heard that eating too many apples can cause bloating or weight gain, but this is a myth for most people. Apples are high in water and fiber, which promote healthy digestion and a feeling of fullness. Their natural sugars are balanced by their fiber, preventing blood sugar spikes. Solution. Don't hold back. Eating 2 or 3 apples a day is perfectly fine for most people. They provide hydration, nutrients, and energy without adverse effects. Pair them with nutrient-dense foods like nuts or yogurt for a balanced snack. 3. Not eating apple seeds. Many people throw away apple seeds, believing they're harmful, but the truth is they can actually benefit your health. Apple seeds contain amygdalin, a compound that works with your digestive enzymes to help bind and remove toxins from the body. In small amounts, they act as a natural detoxifier. Solution. Don't discard the seeds. Chew them thoroughly and enjoy the seeds of 1 or 2 apples daily to support your body's natural detox processes. 4. Peeling apples. Apple peels are where most of the nutrients, including antioxidants and fiber, are found. By peeling your apple, you're discarding a significant portion of its health benefits. Solution: always eat apples with the peel whenever possible to maximize their benefits for gut health and heart health. 5. Ignoring moldy apples. If an apple has visible mold or soft spots, it could contain harmful toxins. Eating poorly preserved apples can lead to foodborne illnesses. Solution: always inspect your apples before eating. If you spot any signs of decay, discard the fruit to avoid health risks. 6. Storing apples. Incorrectly, leaving apples at room temperature can cause them to spoil faster, reducing their texture and flavor. Solution: store apples in the fruit drawer of your refrigerator to keep them fresh and crisp for longer. 7. Not pairing apples with other healthy foods. While apples are nutritious on their own, pairing them with healthy fats or protein can enhance their benefits and keep you full longer. Solution: combine apples with almond butter, nuts, or Greek yogurt for a more balanced and satisfying snack. 8. Limiting yourself to one variety of apple. Sticking to just one type of apple means missing out on the unique flavors and nutrients of different varieties. For example, green apples are tart and lower in sugar, while red apples are sweeter and higher in antioxidants. Solution: experiment with different types of apples to keep your diet exciting and diverse. 9. Ignoring apple allergies. Some people may experience allergic reactions to apples, which can range from mild discomfort to severe symptoms. Solution: if you suspect an allergy, consult a healthcare provider for advice. Opt for cooked apples if raw ones trigger mild reactions, as cooking often neutralizes allergens. How to choose, store, and enjoy apples correctly. To make the most of your apples. Select firm apples with smooth, unblemished skin. Organic apples are ideal to avoid pesticide residues. Store apples in the fridge's fruit drawer to keep them fresh. Separate them from other fruits to prevent ethylene gas from speeding up ripening. For a balanced snack, pair apples with nuts or almond butter. Add slices to salads, blend them into smoothies, or bake them with cinnamon for a healthy dessert. How many of these mistakes were you making? Let us know in the comments. Apples are a true superfruit, and by avoiding these common mistakes, you can enjoy all their incredible benefits. Don't forget to check out these other videos we've selected for you to learn even more about living a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.